question 24, I'm trying to convert the rectangular form into polar form. So anywhere I see an x, I want to replace it with r cosine. Anywhere I see a y, I want to replace it with r sine. R sine of theta is equal to 7 times r cosine of theta, and then I have a plus 5 here. So I have r's on both sides, and that's kind of an issue because I want to have just one r on one side isolated for itself. So my first step is to get every term that has an r onto the same side. So let's move this term over to the other side. And then I can actually factor out the r. So r times sine of theta minus 7 cosine of theta is equal to 5. So I've factored that r out of these two terms. And then I can divide by that sine minus 7 cosine. So now I want to divide both sides by sine of theta minus 7 cosine of theta. So r is equal to 5 over sine of theta minus 7 cosine of theta. And that'll be our final answer.